Hello and welcome to Ali v Brendan. My name is Celeste.
And I'm Justin.
And you are here joining us live for the beep test.
The beep test. It's
Justin,
brutal.
Give us info. What is it?
It's a test of cardiovascular endurance. It's a test that gets our competitors running 20 metres at a time, trying to get there before they hear the next beep. And the beeps are going to get closer and closer and closer together. There's 21 in total. I'm not sure these guys are going to quite get that far, though.
Ooh, we will come back to that later. Behind us, we have our competitors who are warming up. We have Ali Barnes. We have Brendan Yench. Should we check in and see how they're feeling?
I bet they're nervous. Let's do it.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, Ali Barnes, the beep test. Challenge 1 of Ali v Brendan. What's the emotions?
I'm feeling, after like 6 nervous wheeze, very dehydrated actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Good. And what level are you aiming to get today?
6. I'd actually be really stoked if I got to 6. Yeah,
Okay.
legit. But
Respect.
more importantly, that I just beat Brendan.
What are you nervous about on the field today? We are out in the open. It's a little different to the studio you are usually around.
Yeah, I came
Okay.
prepared. Magpies.
Are you going to be okay with that? Is it going to work?
I bought my son's helmet.
So you're taking on the Magpies Bear Skull today.
Brendan, talk us through how you're feeling.
Look, I don't know how I'm feeling because I haven't had breakfast and I'm running on an empty stomach, so this is going to be wild. At least I don't have anything to vomit back up.
Have you got a big feast planned after?
Yeah, half a horse.
And what about goals? It's important to have goals. Have you got a goal target you'd like to get to?
Look, I'd just be happy to get on the board, seeing I've never done a beep test before and I heard it's quite traumatic. So single digits all the way. That's an achievement for me.
And is the number one goal to beat Ali?
Look, she thinks it is. We'll wait and see.
All the best.
I'm on an empty stomach and I may faint, you know.
The time has come. Ali and Brendan.
Should we do the secret handshake?
Oh, please. We would love you to.
Yeah. Nailed it.
Nailed it. So secret.
Okay, well, take your positions, please. Justin, we are about to kick off the beep test. Challenge 1 of Ali v Brendan. What are your nerves like?
I'm excited for these guys. I'm looking forward to seeing just how far they can go.
Okay, well, let's do this. We are going to hit go on the beep test. Challenge 1, Ali v Brendan.
My legs are cramping.
I can't feel my toes.
Start level 1-1.
Yeah, run now.
Okay, we go now?
Run now.
Okay,
Oh,
great.
my goodness. Okay.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Wait, okay.
It's a little bit quicker than they expected.
Wow.
Okay, we're getting a 5 now.
Brendan, he has his legs out today. It's a bold move at the start of spring.
Yeah, it is. There's no fake tan on site.
Oh, it suddenly got serious. Did you feel the air change?
Don't overdo it.
I think the matching headbands are a nice touch.
Yeah, they are, aren't they? That is what they do when they get competitive. When they broke the world record, they were wearing those headbands. So
Any chance of a world record being broken today?
absolutely not, Justin, but I'm glad you felt positive about that.
Level 1.
I thought I'd be able to talk.
I can't talk and breathe.
Level 2.
Guys, I think I'm only going to get to 3.
Already the
I hear the
expectations
pain.
are dropping.
I do like Ali's pace. She has got long legs.
That is an advantage.
It
the longer
is.
stride.
High school was a long time ago.
Celeste, this test came out of Canada.
Did it, Justin?
Yeah, in the
Who came up with this?
the 1970s.
Why?
But
Why
it-
would they do this?
It's a great test of muscular endurance.
Okay. And why did we do this with high school students most often?
Yeah, fitness testing's kind of part of the curriculum for
Okay.
students to see what level they're at, and then they do it again to see how much they've improved.
Do you think this encourages or hinders people wanting to be fit?
I'd like to hope that it encourages people,
Yes.
but looking at the faces
they
of
look
these two,
encouraged?
I'm not so sure.
Do they look encouraged? My response would be no.
You know, it's not only schools that do it. The armed forces, emergency services, even elite level athletes across multiple sports.
Really? Justin, we just caught a great head shake by Ali Barnes just in that moment.
She's calling for water.
Yeah, we don't have a support crew today.
They are doing well. They're in a groove now.
Yes, they
If you
seem
can
in a
keep
good
that
flow.
going for some time.
Level
Major
4,
four.
this is halfway to
Major four.
8.
Major
Halfway
four.
to 8.
Major four. Oh,
Is this Brendan? Is this
I'm
Brendan
peeking.
calling it?
yeah.
Brendan's calling it. Brendan is out. I repeat, Brendan is out.
Level 4. He did make level 4.
He
We'll
did
give
well.
him that.
He did very well. Ali Barnes. Ali Barnes is in a stride and it looks like she's going to continue, but how long will she stand?
I feel like there's a spring in her step ever since Brendan stopped.
She's not flushed just yet. So that's good.
An elite level athlete, AFL player for example, would get to 16.4.
So at this point, Justin, if they were doing it, there'd be not too much sweat.
No, I think they'd still be full of laughter at this point.
Meanwhile, it's noteworthy that Brendan is down. Ladies and gentlemen, Brendan is down.
Have we got a paramedic on standby?
We don't, but I saw in the loo block that there is a defib, so we can always get that if needed. Ali Barnes, ladies and gentlemen, has reached level 5. Has she broken a sweat? Yes. She broke that in the studio at 7 o'clock this morning thinking about today, but she is still running. Oh, the determination on her face.
She did say she wanted to get to level 6.
Yeah,
I'm going to put it out there right now. She's looking strong enough to
she's
make
looking
level 6.
strong. I'm going to say 7 or 8.
Ali's getting to the line before the beat.
Ali Barnes.
She looks
Do you
strong.
know what? I had my doubts, I will admit. Well done, Ali Barnes. She has reached level 6.
Big smile on the face as she gets to level 6.
Brendan is currently looking for a puffer, which is fine. That's okay too. The crowds are going wild today, aren't they, Justin? I'm calling it. I think she's going to get to level 8.
So close, Ali.
Come on, Ali Barnes. You can do this. Think of those netball days, those championship netball days. Ali Barnes,
She's
here
knocked
she
it out of the park.
is. She's reached a goal.
And she's not stopping there.
She's not stopping. Now, does this put her ahead in the Ali v Brendan? We're going to have to go to the adjudicators later to find out. But ladies and gentlemen, she has taken this
Well
out today.
done, Ali Barnes.
Ali Barnes, congratulations. She has done the beep test. Okay, the Ali v Brendan Challenge 1 is complete. The beep test is done. Brendan, you okay? How you feeling?
Eat food on the day that you're doing the exercise.
Very sound
Rookie
advice.
error. And the other thing, don't have a cold. Your lungs can't handle it.
Now, this is true because you were off last week unwell and you still showed up
I
and
had
you
an
still did the
afternoon
beep
nap
test.
yesterday for 4 hours in anticipation that I would kick that cold in the butt. Clearly it's left some scars.
You did very well. You reached level 3. Congratulations.
Was it 3?
Yeah.
That's worse. I was happier with 4.
Oh, well, you were halfway there. Close to.
No, not even
You
close.
did well.
That's
Brendan,
terrible.
It's okay.
It's somewhere high to aspire to.
It is.
We're doing it again. I don't care what you say.
Ali Barnes, look at the smile. You must be pretty satisfied with that.
No, I feel really good that I kind of crushed what I was hoping to do. But then when I realised that the level I got to is equivalent to about 1 kilometre and the city to surf is 14, I feel like there's still a lot of work to be done.
Look, I think when you set a goal and you achieve it, it's a great feeling.
Yeah, but I totally feel for from one athlete to another. I feel for the people who have to do interviews afterwards. I'm really struggling to get my breath right now.
Short responses.
Yeah, I need to watch the race and be able to give you some more insightful post-match analysis.
Yeah, very good. Look back over your run and
Yeah.
see where it all went right and where it all went wrong.
Yeah, it started harder than I was expecting. Everyone's like, pace yourself, pace yourself. It felt like we were sprinting from the get-go.
But you did maintain it for long enough. Well done.
Yeah, it's saying, who ran the world, girls? Who ran the world? I just kept going on.
And that is challenge 1 of Ali v Brendan. Stay tuned for challenge 2.